In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily comment GIFs on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then just move on to some comments. So guys, all we have to do now in order to comment with GIF is just tap at that icon. If we tap on it, we'll be able to choose any GIF, and then once we tap on it, it will be immediately sent as your comment. Also, in here we can search for a GIF just like that. Let's say I want to search for GIF with birds. I can just enter bird, and then we can scroll down until we find a GIF we would like to use. Let it be that one, and in this way we can comment using this GIF. If you don't see this icon right here, it probably means that you need to get the latest Instagram app version. So just hop out Instagram, go to the App Store or Play Market, search for Instagram, and then if this button says update, tap on it to get the latest version, and the GIF or GIF, how you pronounce it, option should appear.